As a product marketing expert with extensive writing experience, I am pleased to provide you with a professional review of the OXO Good Grips Pop Container. This review is tailored to a diverse audience and aims to highlight the key features and benefits of the product. The OXO Good Grips Pop Container delivers exceptional functionality and convenience, making it a must-have addition to any household. Manufactured by the renowned brand OXO, this container exhibits superior quality and design. One notable feature of this product is its clear color, which allows users to easily identify the contents without the need to open the container. This saves time and effort, especially in busy kitchens or pantries. The transparency also adds a touch of visual appeal to the product, ensuring it seamlessly blends in with any kitchen decor. Crafted from high-quality plastic, the OXO Good Grips Pop Container ensures durability and longevity.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.